isn't it time that maybe Anne Waiguru should step aside?
Thank you so much. This is a request that we have had coming from the opposition and interested parties now and again, that Anne Waiguru should step aside to pave way for investigations. And it does appear that the din of the noise that is coming, we should ask Anne Waiguru to step aside. But we are saying that there is the law. And that law has to be followed to the letter. The law asks that for someone to step aside, one has to be arraigned in court after thorough investigations. So we are saying these things remain at a point of allegations. And if police or the CID or the Criminal Investigations Department have been called in to look into the nature of these issues, verify if a crime or an offense has been committed. After that, then Anne may be asked to step aside if she has been arraigned in court. Of course, there are issues that being raised that probably we could be playing double standards, because some people stepped aside when their matters had not reached court. But remember, those were special circumstances, and the President said, these are special circumstances, and I'm asking those who are working under me to step aside to provide room for investigations. But the Constitution, we Kenyans gave themselves in 2010, demands that if someone has been accused of an offense, until such a person is arraigned in court after investigations, then that person remains in office. So we are saying, and in this case, Anne Waiguru is one of the whistleblowers. How do you ask us to step aside? Are we going to ask everybody to step aside simply because something has been mentioned against you or against your department? We are saying, let us follow the law. But exceptional circumstances call for exceptional measures. When the Anti-Corruption Authority presented its list to the President, this was a total of 175 people whose names were mentioned. The President deemed it fit and fair that those people should step aside. And remember, to date, some refused to step aside, especially the governors, the elected leaders, but those who are serving him under him, he asked them to step aside. So we are saying Anne can only step aside under the law if we follow the due process, because these are not exceptional circumstances. And in any event, Anne Waiguru is one of those who raised this issue up.
Okay.